Welcome students of class 9th. This is your writing and grammar class. First you look carefully and listen carefully the syllabus of writing and grammar. Question number 3, an article based on paragraph, person, place, event, diary in about 100 to 150 words based on visual or verbal. This question will be of 8 marks. Question number 4, there will be a short story based on given outline or cue in about 150 and 200 words of 10 marks. The grammar syllabus will be like that: tenses, modals, use of passive voice, subject verb concord, reporting commands, requests, statements, questions, clauses, noun clause, adverb clause, condition, time, relative clauses. Next one is determiners, prepositions. Question number 5 will be gap filling based on prepositions, articles, conjunctions and tenses. This will be of 4 marks. Question number 6, editing or omission of 4 marks, and question number 7, sentence reordering or sentence transformation in 4 marks. The exercises of grammar will be asked on the above given 8 topics: tenses, modals, use of passive, subject verb, reporting, clauses, determiners and prepositions. After this, in writing section, we will start first chapter, diary entry. So all of you look carefully and write this definition of diary entry. Diary entry is a form of writing. The general format of diary is given below. Date, day. You have to write these 2 topics: what you saw, experienced, your reaction to what you saw, experienced. Then style, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All these 6 topics you have to write in your fair copy, writing in writing section. After this, you have to write this sample diary entry. First you will write question: today when you were on your way to school, a man walking just in front of you dropped his wallet. He did not realize he had dropped it. What did you do? Write a diary entry about the incident. So like this you have to write like this: day, date, Tuesday 20 June. You have to write the date of the current day. Feelings, your feelings. Incident, further action and follow up. After writing this diary entry, you have to make a rectangular box like this. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.